Hello, this is part 5, Damage and Death. In this video, we're going to program damage and death in the AI bot character. This blueprint handles the damage. This blueprint handles the death in the player character. This blueprint handles the damage. And this blueprint handles the death. Double click AI bot character. This is the DDeathBot blueprint. To create the DDeathBot custom event, right click, search for custom event, and then name it DDeathBot. To create the health variable, drag out health from here. This is the death_1 animation. This delay of 2.067 is the length of this animation. This is AI bot character, AI bot BT. This location I got from the character in the scene, and check no collision fail. This is 5 for a delay. Gun holder, you get that by dragging out this. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AI bot character. This is the event any damage blueprint. To get the health variable, you can drag out this from here. In this box, put bot and then a space after the word. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This is DDeath player blueprint. This is almost identical to the DDeathBot blueprint. The only changes are the custom event is named different. I removed this node, I removed this node, and this node is different. I just kept this node here so you can see that it was removed. You can delete that. You can delete this. I just kept it there so you can see that I removed it. And this node is different. This is third person example map. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This is the event any damage blueprint. This is identical to the one on the AI bot character, except that this word here says player with a space after it, and this calls DDeath player. Other than that, it's identical, so you can copy and paste it and then change it. This is the word player here with a space after it, and this calls DDeath player. When you're done, compile and save. Press play to test. I'm going to kill the AI bot. Now I'm going to let the AI bot kill me. And that's working correctly.